I think that, it's great to have that partnership with a reputable company. It's not an easy job managing 8-year-old boys, but having the comfort of having all of the kit provided for us, it means one less job for me to go and have to find that, but it also means that we can invest that money in better equipment, so the boys are really engaged when they're training and playing matches, and they look the part as well, right? When they're turning up for games, I think that's really good to build camaraderie.
It creates lots of opportunities for the children to build friendships, to play football, to be outdoors, and just to have a great time.
And that can bring everyone together, and I think community, especially for the little guys out there, is such an important thing for any small village in Essex,
My son's just really football obsessed, and he absolutely loves it. So coming out and seeing all of his friends, he's become really confident in his relationships with adults as well as children.
When he first joined Hutton, we moved him away from all of his mates, so he got another group of friends, and I think that's really important for socialising kids when they're younger. And the amount he's grown since being at Hutton is just formidable. And he comes away from it just absolutely, he looks forward to the matches, he looks forward to training, and it's just the best club to be part of,
I think for me, it's really important not just that the boys grow as footballers, but they grow as people. Once you actually start doing it, you become a bit addicted to doing it. And it's not just about winning, it's about seeing the boys, they're all from different schools mainly, they're new friendships, which is really important, teamwork. As they're getting older, they really want to, it's not just about them scoring goals, it's about the team as well. And seeing that, develop each week is really great.
Just so proud. It's like the feeling of proudness that I have for him, to see him growing and his confidence getting bigger. As a parent, it's hard to beat that.